LakelandCarKeys.com. We're working on a BMW Z4 DME engine computer. This is it is the MSD81. So we're going to do a 1-to-1 clone using the OBDSTAR DC706 with the P004 adapter. This is real simple. I actually already read the files from the original computer. There are 3 files in there. I believe it's 2 EEPROMs and a flash or whatever it is. But basically, what you want to do is go into the ECM flasher, and I just did a search for MSD8 and it popped up. So we want the 81. So we're going to go ahead and select that. You can look at your pinout. It'll tell you need a P004 adapter. Alright, and it gives you a picture of the body. And then you can look at the pinout. Real simple. Can high, can low. 2 powers and a ground. Alright, so we go ahead and back out of this. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit start. Alright, tells us we need our internet connection. I'm in my office, so Wi-Fi is on. Alright, and then we want to connect. Alright, so it tells us to switch the ignition off. Hit OK. We're going to turn it back on. Hit OK. And then it'll start communicating. Do security verification. Right in the bootloader, and we are connected. So here are our options, and I just go down the list. I start with read EEPROM, read internal flash, read external EEPROM, and then I did read the ISN code and take a copy just in case he ever ends up needing to do any programming or add any other keys. I do have a backup of his ISN. It did not save a file. I just took a picture of it once it showed me what the ISN was. And then, so now we're connected, and we are going to go back and write these files. So I'm going to write the internal EEPROM, hit OK, and then just read the files. Make sure you select the right one. That's our internal EEPROM. I'll go ahead. All right. It gives you some warnings. Alright, so that internal EEPROM, there's 2 sectors of data, and it looks like both of them were the same from the original ECU, so I didn't have to write any information there. Let's go ahead and select internal flash. Alright, so we got internal flash. I'm not going to verify that data. It's a good habit to do it. Alright, so there's 13 different addresses in the internal flash. Alright, so it wrote 1, 2, and 3 were the same. It's writing 4. It's writing 5. Alright, 6, 7, 8 was the same. It's writing 9. And this whole process should probably take about 2 minutes. This is a real fast one. It looks like there's a lot of data in address 9. So yeah, once these are done, it should be a direct plug-in, and the vehicle should be able to start. No additional key programming, no additional learning. It's a 1-to-1 clone. All right, so finished up sector 9. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video and just let it finish these last 3 sectors because it looks like these are going to take a little bit of time. and then we'll come back and write that external EEPROM. Alright, so I'm finishing up the last little percent of this, and like I said, when I read it, literally it read the file in under a minute. This did end up taking about 10 minutes writing these 13 sectors. So there we are, we've successfully written that, and I'm just going to go ahead and write that external EEPROM. Alright, go in and select that file. It should be that very top file. Alright, and then boom, that's done. So we are successfully doing that one-to-one clone. We'll go ahead and disconnect, turn off the ignition power, and now I could disconnect the cables, and I should be able to just plug this in and start the vehicle up. Alright, so I'm at my shop and the vehicle is not here. This was a one-to-one clone I was doing for another local shop, so I'll drop it off and have them test it out. But I just wanted to give a real quick video because I haven't actually done one of these. It's actually a Continental MSD81 BMW DME. Alright, thanks for watching. LakelandCarKeys.com.